Get that one. It's fell down. Ayan, nakuha ko na It's eating carrots. I don't want to go to his place. He want here in his sofa to eat his carrots. It's too much dog, this one. This one, too much lazy. Drink there. Napaka-senyorita talaga ni